Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulaya Naurah Musti and I am from class 11E2. And today I will present about the fantasy story. Before I tell to you about the fantasy story that I already picked, I will explain to you a little explanation about the fantasy story. And what is fantasy story? Fantasy story is the story tells about the magical or supernatural things that don't exist in real life. And I will tell to you about this famous story. I'm sure most of you know this story. And the title is Cinderella. The synopsis of Cinderella is the story tells about the beautiful and kind woman named Cinderella, and she lived with her cruel stepmother and her two stepsisters, and they treat her very badly. They make her do all of housework every day. One day, her very good mother appeared and helped her go to the royal ball, and then the prince fell in love with her, but she must leave the ball at midnight and leave the one of her glass slipper. And the prince searched for the Cinderella and find Cinderella, and finally they married and live happily ever after. Okay, that's the synopsis. I will tell to you about the full story of the Cinderella. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind and beautiful girl named Cinderella. She lived with her cruel stepmother and her two weak stepsisters. After her father passed away, her life became miserable. Every day she had to clean the house, wash the dishes, and cook for her stepfamily. But no matter how hard her life was, Cinderella always stayed kind and hopeful. And one day, the king announced a royal ball at the palace so the prince could find his bride. Cinderella was so excited and she wanted to go more than anything. But her stepmother laughed and said, "You go to the ball? Impossible!" and left her alone at home. Cinderella cried sadly until suddenly, poof, a very good mother appeared. With a wave of her magic wand, she turned Cinderella's old dress into beautiful sparkling gown and her worn shoes into shining glass slippers. She even turned a pumpkin into a golden carriage. But the very good mother warned her, "Remember, my dear, the magic will end at midnight." And at the ball, everyone was amazed by Cinderella's beauty. The prince couldn't take his eyes off her and they danced all night long. But when the clock struck 12, Cinderella ran away as fast as she could and leaving behind one of her glass slippers. The next day, the prince searched the entire kingdom to find the mysterious girl. So many tried her slippers, but it didn't fit anyone. Finally, he arrived at Cinderella's house. Her stepsister tried it too, but their feet were too big. When Cinderella tried on it, it fit. The prince knew she was the one. He married Cinderella, and from that day, they lived happily ever after. And that's, my friend, is the story of how kindness and hope can change a life, even with just one glass slippers. Okay, that's all from me. I will close with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.